Press the pneumatic connector lightly downward and pull out the PT-FE tube. Take off the front cover of the tool head. Pull out the wiring terminal. Open the driven wrench. Remove the extrusion assembly, unscrew 3 screws. Install the new extrusion assembly. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Fasten the driven wrench. Plug in the top terminal. Install the front cover of the tool head. Plug in the PT-FE tube.